really like silly song because we just repeat and again.
Oh, really? Like over and over and over again?
Neko.
I like this song
Yeah.
though.
And then like we just in this song we just add their animal sounds like kobuta, bubu, tanuki, pompokopon, kitsune, konkon, neko, yao.
So cute. I like it. Aww. Kobuta, tanuki, kitsune, neko, kobuta, tanuki, pom, kitsune, konkon, neko.
Yao.
Aww. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. It's such a cute song. And it'll be good to help me remember too.
Okay.
So, kobuta. What was the sound?
Kobuta. Kobuta.
And then the animal noise. What was the animal noise?
Ah.
Okay, I gotta write that down so I can sing it. So little. And then. Boom.
It's like we say this sound for raccoon
Yeah.
because like raccoon has some I don't know design here
Yeah.
and it's really big.
Oh, yeah.
So we just say pompoko.
That's so
sound.
cute.
Pompoko.
Aww.
And
Pompoko. Pompoko.
and fox is like I don't know why we say Kong Kong, but we just say this is fox for us.
Okay.
Yeah, and Kong Kong, Kong Kong, Kong Kong, Kong Kong.
Aww. So, do that.
Why do we say Kong Kong? I don't understand.
I don't know. I've never heard a fox make a noise.
Oh yeah, me neither.
Just like giraffes. I've never heard the sound they have either. And then cat. Did you have
Cat. Meow.
okay.
Like meow.
Yeah. Because that's what we have too. So you say meow.
Yeah.
And then like I think the pig is kind of funny. We say we go like oink oink.
Oh.
Oink oink.
We don't say that.
No,
We just say boo.
because of the nose. That's really cute.
And then one more.
Oh, we can, yeah. How about what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is giraffe.
A giraffe? Cool. So we can do that one. We can do giraffe. 'Cause that's your favorite animal.
Giraffe.
Oh, and then E. Yeah. That's right. And then there's an E at the end. I don't know why. But sometimes English spelling is crazy. Kitty. Like that? Kitty? Kitty. Aw. Okay. I'm so excited.
Really?
Yeah. Aw.
Tanuki. I don't know, never write down tanuki.
Never drew one of them.